Welcome back to ClearTask. If you use Microsoft Word, you already know how useful text boxes are for organizing your documents. But that default black border around them, it doesn't always fit your design. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove that text box border in just a few seconds. It's quick, simple, and will instantly make your documents look more professional. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document. If you don't have a text box yet, simply head up to the Insert tab on the top ribbon, click Shapes, and select Text Box. Click and drag anywhere on your page to draw it and type in your text. Now let's remove that border. Click directly on the edge of your text box to select it. When you do this, you'll notice a new tab appears at the very top of your screen called Shape Format. Click on that Shape Format tab. Next, look for the Shape Outline option. It is located right in the Shape Styles section of the ribbon. Click the drop-down arrow next to Shape Outline and select No Outline. And that's it. Your text box border is completely gone, leaving your text looking clean and smoothly integrated into your page. Here is a quick pro tip. If your text box has a solid white background that is covering up text or images behind it, stay on the Shape Format tab, click Shape Fill, and choose No Fill. Now your text is fully transparent and borderless. If this quick tip helped you out, please drop a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next ClearTask tutorial.